How to cancel YouTube TV subscription on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your YouTube TV subscription on your iPhone. So basically the process is quite simple, whether you're using your web version of your YouTube TV account or you're using in your iPhone or any other mobile device. So basically the process is quite simple. So just follow these same steps that I'm showing you right here on the web version of my YouTube TV account. The only difference is when you are using YouTube TV subscription on your mobile device, you can use either your web version of the YouTube TV account or the YouTube TV official application. Other than that, the process is quite similar. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your YouTube TV account and just go to the preferred browser and search for tv.youtube.com, and you will be landed to the official website of your YouTube TV account. And after that, in order to cancel your subscription, all you have to do is you should first have a subscription plan added into your YouTube TV account already, and if you don't have it, you can buy it simply while adding your payment method details while choosing a payment subscription plan for you. And after that, just simply go to the profile section from the top right corner of your mobile screen. Just simply click on it, and from there just simply go to the settings option. Just simply click on it, and in the settings section you can see that there are a bunch of different membership plans that you can choose from. And if you already have subscription plan added into your YouTube TV account, you will be able to see it on the membership page itself. And from there you will also see the option called cancel subscription. All you have to do is just simply tap on cancel subscription, and there you will be able to see the option to cancel your subscription plan on your YouTube TV account. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel YouTube TV subscription plan on iPhone. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.